Hello, welcome to the video for translating sentences into equations. Part 1, we're going to look at one-step equations. Letter A says, translate this sentence into an equation. 59 is the sum of 20 and Holly's height. Use the variable h to represent Holly's height. Before we translate this, we need to first understand math to English translations and what words indicate things, what math words indicate English symbols, and vice versa. So 59 is the sum of 20 and Holly's height. We know that from working with percents, is means that it's an equal sign. And we also just know from being around math a lot that sum means addition. So we're going to add something together. And here it says use the variable h to represent Holly's height. So we have h. So we know that we're going to add 20 and Holly's height, and it's going to represent 59. So what we need to rewrite it as is 20 plus h for Holly's height equals 59. Because it says the sum of 20 and Holly's height, we have to put the fact that it's addition between the two because we're adding them together. And now we've translated our sentence into an equation. Let's look at part B. Translate this sentence into an equation. The difference of Julie's height and 14 is 74. Use the variable j to represent Julie's height. So j. Use a different color. J for Julie's height. So the difference of Julie's height and 14 is 74. So when we're talking about difference and they put it in an order, we have to go in the order that it's asking. So Julie's height, difference means subtract. So it's going to be Julie's height j minus 14 equals 74. And again, is means that we're going to have an equal sign here. For letter C, it asks us to translate the product of 5 and Victor's score is 60. Product means to multiply. Is again means equal. So the product of 5 and Victor's score, and we need to use V for Victor's score. So we have 5 times V equals 60. Or just 5V equals 60. In letter D, it says to translate 49 decreased by Diane's height is 10. So 49 decreased by Diane's height is 10. So what we need to look at, decreased means to subtract. Is equals, and Diane's height is D. Since we are taking Diane's height away from 49, we need to put 49 first. So 49 minus Diane's height equals 10. Letter E asks us to translate 12 less than Helena's savings equals 74. So less than means that we're subtracting. H is Helena's savings, is equals. So when it says 12 less, that means that we can't make the mistake of writing 12 minus H. That's not correct. Don't do that. Okay, that would be H less than 12. 12 less than H means that we need to set it up as H minus 12 is 74 because we're taking 12 from the height. And then part F, translate this sentence into an equation. 15 more than Rick's height is 40. More than means addition. Is equal, and Rick's height is R. So we're going to have 15 more than Rick's height. So Rick's height plus 15 equals 40. So when you're doing these, just make sure you go through and put them in the order that's being asked of you. Make sure you use the correct variable and the correct addition multiplication symbol. Good luck.